Hi guys, I'm Ovi and this is my kitchen. I've got Scotch egg recipe to share with you today, so if you want to know how to cook this, please stick around. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's an exciting video today. Quickly, I want to show you the type of sausage I used for this video. I used ground beef sausage. I use this cheap brand because I like this way they spice theirs. Please don't use chicken franks or I don't know, any other type of sausage. This is the best for the traditional Scotch egg that you see in Nigeria. So these are the ingredients laid out here. As you can see, that's flour, boiled egg, raw egg, breadcrumbs, sausage. Easy peasy. Guys, I already had some done. I don't know, something happened to the footage earlier for the first one, so I lost that. I just had to show you guys basically the last egg. So it was easy. You boil your egg. I like mine hard boiled. If you don't like hard boiled egg, no problem, do it to your taste. So I just rolled my boiled egg in raw egg. It's egg in egg kind of situation here, and then I'm lightly tapping my sausage. So for each egg I used a tablespoon of ground sausage. Okay, I was just tapping my sausage in flour. There are different ways to coat your egg for this Scotch egg, but this is the easiest way. This is the only way I know that beginners can really pull this through, because wrapping or making a Scotch egg can be sometimes more difficult than you expect. I've made this a couple of times, and I remember the first time I tried and the second time I tried, it wasn't easy. So this was my own method. I don't think I've seen anybody do it this way, but why stress yourself when you can make life easier? So I tried a couple of methods, and this was the one that that yielded the best and easiest result. Okay, it adheres to the egg really easily. There's no stress with this one, and I don't know, it's not so messy. It's not as messy as some I've seen. Guys, so it's just to roll your egg. I was using my fingers to kind of push the sausage up and wrap it. So once you have your egg wrapped in sausage and flour, you just dip straight into your raw egg. This egg situation is just confusing. You dip your boiled egg wrapped in sausage and flour in raw egg, and then you just crumb that ball. Now you don't have to make a very perfect ball because there's going to be squishy sausage around, so don't exert too much pressure on the bowl that we have. Don't be too focused on the shape. It basically mostly comes out like really nice and round, so just do the bit you can and everything gets better with practice. Okay, yeah, so what else is there to say? See you guys, I don't stress your life. I don't do that. So that's just me trimming off the excess that I saw falling off. I don't know, and I just coated that place again with some breadcrumbs. And I was trying to round this with both hands. As you can see, it's not a perfect circle. I fried for about 2 minutes, give or take, and that was on medium heat, very close to high heat, because I basically wanted it to crisp up so that there's nothing messy in the pan. Don't use low heat for this. And here you have your Scotch eggs. Beautiful. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please check out my other videos on YouTube and follow me on all social media platforms. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.